Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Wendy. I am a part-time reseller. I'm a full-time postal worker, but I just wanted to pop on here real quick because I recently made a big purchases. I don't usually pay up for a lot of stuff, but I don't have a lot of time to resell, so I did a little bit of research on these items. I came across them, got a notification that a local discount store had put some in stock that day, and I knew they would sell out fast because the last time they had fry bags, it went fast. But I don't know. And when I mentioned this in a group and on chat, there's a lot of people that said they didn't really know this brand, but I just want to say that you should know it. So it's Brahmin, and this is the Amolite. This is the Amolite print. So I paid up for them. I paid $75 a piece, which is so much. Oh my God. Normally would not do that, but I knew the value of them. They retail for about $3.15 for this large, it's called a Duxbury Melbourne bag satchel. But yeah, it is gorgeous. Look at how gorgeous this is. Genuine leather. Smells fantastic. Smells so much, so good. But anyways, and this is even better. This one's new with tags. This one is new without tags. The only tags that was on it was from the discount store. Both came with a dust bag. But look at how fantastic this is. This print is called, or colorway is called the Passion Fruit. Again, this is a large Duxbury satchel, Passion Fruit, Melbourne. Like I said, it retails for $3.15. This isn't a video that I planned to do, but because I sold it so fast, I listed it last night, got an offer midday. I listed for $3.25 for the Amolite. Got an offer for $300, accepted. The lady, I didn't respond fast enough because I was working at my regular full-time job, and she canceled and then offered it again and then messaged me, and she's like, please, please, please look at my offer. She said, I've been wanting this bag forever. So Brahmin has a following, just like any high-end brand. Brahmin, there are several Brahmin groups on Facebook and I'm sure other places, but these ladies, they collect them. I mean, it's nice. I mean, it's good that they have a hobby and they enjoy nice things, but they have tons and they'll lay them out and they're so proud. But yeah, they look for these specific things. Like this lady said, she has been looking for this forever. So that's one reason why I priced that as high as I did. They retail for $3.15. I listed it at $3.25. There weren't any for sale in that style. 2 had sold, so I knew that there was a high sell-through rate for that bag, and I was right. So I might have to look out for more. But yeah, so check those out. The Passion Fruit is still for sale in my closet. I don't think that it's going to take long for that one to go, but that one is actually still for sale on the website. So that's why I actually listed that one at $300 instead of the $325 like the other, just because this one is sold out and there wasn't any listed on Poshmark at all. So, but this one is kind of rare as well, but it is still listed on the website. So I don't think that it's too rare. So, but anyways, I will probably get a lot less than I want for the Passion Fruit. It doesn't sell, I'll keep it. It's beautiful. I already made my money back for both of these bags just on the one sale. So if you do run across Brahmin, I would definitely do some research and not be afraid to pay up for it if there is not any listed and all that style sells out. Or check out the groups. You know, I posted it as, you know, being something that I picked up in one of the Poshmark Facebook groups, and I had like 3 or 4 people that wanted me to tag them right away. It wasn't one of those people that bought them, but it did draw a lot of traffic to my closet, and that's another thing that I wanted to do. My sales have been so slow that I wanted to bring some traffic to my closet. I don't have time to list a ton of things, and so, you know, the littler sales are almost not worth my time at this point. But the bigger sales, list once and I double, triple my money. That's fine with me, especially if it's within 24 hours. So that's probably what I might do from now on, is just stick to the higher end stuff. It's more my business model, I guess, at this point. I'm okay with that. But it is a little scary. I'm not saying go out and buy all the purses for $75. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying do a little research and definitely take a little more of a risk if you think that it will sell fast and you know that it's sold out or people are looking for that style. That's just some tips that I have. If you have any tips as far as brands that sell fast for you and for a lot of money, we obviously know our designer ones, but not everybody knows about Brahmin. I guess it's a little hidden secret down here in the South, but everybody loves it. So you might want to think about checking it out next time you see that brand, especially if you see it on clearance. So I just want to say thanks for watching and leave me a comment below.